दोस्तों, सबसे ज़रूरी बात, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ ही प्रेस कीजिए बेल के आइकन को हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
This is real first look of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Redmi Note 5 is feature a bezel-less display, with an aspect ratio of 18:9. The smartphone is said to come with a screen of 5.99 inch, coupled with full HD and resolution. This leak image show that Note 5 also has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, just like previous version. Redmi Note 5 comes with a Snapdragon 625 processor. Given that, Redmi Note May 5 not differ much from the Redmi Note 4 in terms of hardware setup. However, similarities are going to be very less, and there will be more of differences between the two phones. The major change that the upcoming Redmi Note May 5 sees on the display front. This will be the biggest feature of the Redmi Note 5, with edge-to-edge display. In terms of the camera department, the smartphone is expected to come with a single 12-megapixel camera at the rear, just like previous model, but while on the front, the device will feature a 5-megapixel selfie camera. Redmi Note 5 is tipped to come along with Android Nougat out of box. And as of yet there are no words if Xiaomi will bring Android 8 to the phone. Well, chances are it will, given the fact that Xiaomi has plans to upgrade. In terms of software, the phone will run on Android Nougat, which is based on MIUI 9. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, just like its predecessor, is expected to be a power pack smartphone. The Note 5 come with a massive 4000 mAh battery, which will deliver a good battery life. With rumors pouring in almost every passing day, it will not be very wrong to say that Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 launch is nearing. However, Xiaomi hasn't made any official declaration about the launch time frame as of yet. Ahead of the official launch, the smartphone has already been leaked in images earlier, and now a few more has been spotted online. Going by them, looks like the upcoming Redmi Note 5 is going to a bezel-less phone. Well, it is noteworthy that the newly leaked specs of the Redmi Note 5 are actually in line with the previous rumors. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.